Welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about percentage composition. So percentage composition, as you can see in the definition, it refers to the amount of various constituent elements present in 100 parts by mass of the substance. If you have a compound, okay, then the composition of individual elements is calculated using percentage composition. Alright, so it is a very useful method for determining the molecular formula of a compound. Also, for it is also used for checking the purity of a sample. Okay, so let's see how to calculate percentage composition. So percentage composition is equal to number of atoms of element into atomic mass of element divided by the molar mass or molecular mass or formula mass, whichever is given, into 100. Okay, so this is how you are going to calculate percentage composition. It is very easy. So basically, with the help of percentage composition, you can find out the composition of individual elements. Okay, for example, see here, there is a question: calculate the mass percentage of each element of water. Okay, so you have water with you and you have to calculate the mass percentage of each element. All right, each element of water. So we know that water is what? It is H2O. So first find out the molar mass of H2O. We know how to calculate the molar mass. The atomic mass of hydrogen is what? 1. So 2 hydrogens are there. 1 into 2 plus 16. So we know it is 18 gram per mole. Now we have the molar mass. Now let's see what is the mass percentage of each element of water. Means first let's see the mass percentage of hydrogen. So to calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen, we use this formula, that mass percentage is nothing but percentage composition. Alright, so number of atoms of the element, how many atoms are there of water? It is 2, into the atomic mass of the element, which is 1, divided by the molar mass of H2O, that is 18, into 100. So after calculating this, you will find out that the mass percentage of hydrogen here is 11.18%. Now similarly, calculate the mass percentage of oxygen. So how many oxygen atom are there? 1, into the atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. It is 16 divided by the molar mass of water. So it is equal to 88.79%. Okay, so this is how you are going to calculate the mass percentage of each element. Now next question: what is the mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide? This is again a very easy question. You have to calculate the mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide. So let's see first of all the molecular mass or the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So carbon is 12, so 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16, so it is equal to 44 gram. Okay, so you can see here that 1 gram molecule of carbon dioxide contains 1 gram atom of carbon. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide, a molecule of carbon dioxide contains what? 12 gram. So percentage of carbon is equal to What is the formula we used earlier? Number of atoms of the element. How many atoms of carbon are there in carbon dioxide? 1 into the atomic mass, that is 12, divided by 44 into 100. So it is equal to 27.27%. Very easy. Alright, next calculate the mass percentage of different elements present in sodium sulfate. In sodium sulfate, you have to calculate the mass percentage of different element, that is sodium, sulfur and oxygen. First find out the molar mass of sodium sulfate, then after that just calculate the mass percentage of each element using the above formula. Okay, just do it yourself.